Quick question. Where's your data right now? Is it sitting on a disk, traveling across the internet, or being processed in a server's memory? The answer is all three. Your data moves through three different states, and each one needs its own kind of protection. Let's break it down. First, we have data at rest. This is your data sitting in storage, like customer records in a database, files on a server, or backups in the cloud. It may look safe just sitting there, but if it isn't encrypted, anyone who gets access to that storage may be able to read it. That's where encryption steps in. A service called KMS helps control the encryption key, while AES 256 turns the data into unreadable text before it's stored. Look at that. Perfectly readable customer records have become complete gibberish. If someone steals the disk, that's all they get. Without access to the key, the information is useless. But data doesn't stay in one place. It needs to travel. And the internet is basically a busy highway with plenty of opportunities for someone to watch the traffic. Before your data moves, your device and the server create a secure connection using TLS 1.3. Think of it as a private tunnel that protects the information while it travels. If someone intercepts the traffic, they won't see passwords, payment details, or customer records. They'll only see encrypted information that makes no sense. Finally, we have data in use. This is when an application is actively working with the data. To process it, the system usually needs to unlock it. For highly sensitive workloads, that can happen inside a secure enclave. Think of it as a private room inside the computer. The operating system can't peek inside. Other applications can't access it. Even administrators can be blocked from seeing what's happening. The data is processed inside that protected space, and once the result leaves, it's encrypted again. So, data at rest, data in transit, and data in use. Three different states, three different risks. One simple rule: wherever your data goes, protection goes with it. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.